Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these rag & bone eyeglasses model RNB3010 in color code 2M2. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a cat eye shape. The temples are gold and the temple tips are black. You'll also find the rag & bone logo engraved on its temple in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the rag & bone logo engraved on its bottom right lens. On its inner right temple is again the rag & bone logo in gold, and on its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimension of its temple, which is 140. The glasses also come with a rag & bone case and a rag & bone dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.